Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is just the 15-day lock update. Sydney saw all those mean comments y'all had. It's like, no, she doesn't read the comments and I don't read the comments to her, but this is just the update of her 14-day journey. As you can see, her locks have changed. She loves her locks so much. She said this is how she wanted her locks to look in the first place. She wanted thick locks, not flat locks. Well, not skinny locks, because she does wrap her hair every day. So this is just like our 15-day update in our schedule, our routine that we use on her starter locks. A lot of you suggested headbands, but Sydney is not into headbands anymore as she's 11 years old. So we went on Amazon and picked out lock jewelry. She picked it out. She told me the ones that she liked, and we got it. She's in the mirror constantly because she loves her hair. Sydney is growing up. She's coming into her own, what she's always been. She had her own mind, always very strong opinions of what she should look like and what she should wear. But this is her hair. You can see the top of it is very loose. The back and the sides, they're doing well. They're not unraveling. They're great. The side, I love her side preview profile. It's great. But the top locks, we're kind of gentle. I know this is supposed to happen, but look at her side profile, y'all. Bomb. Beautiful. Look at those locks, how they look good. Her face is just made for the locks. But anyway, so this is my hydrating mist I'm going to use on her. We don't use it often. We used it one day last week, and since this is a new start of the week, we're going to use it today, so only twice. And this hydrating mist is for natural hair, relaxed hair, for protective styles. You can use it on wigs or your hair if you have curly hair to get those curls popping again. It's for anybody who wants to hydrate their hair. I use it every day. Sydney is not supposed to use it every day. She runs her hair through her locks. And if you want my products, the link will be in the description box down below. My hair growth oil, I put it on her scalp. This is the second time, because we want her starter locks to actually lock up, and it's going to take time. So we don't want to interfere with that process, but we don't want her hair to be dry. So here are her lock jewelry, because like I said, she doesn't want any type of headband. She's like, Mom, no. That's when I was young. I didn't want to wear them then, but I'm not wearing them now for sure. So while I'm oiling her hair, trying to put the oil on her scalp only, she's picking out, there's snakes, there's crowns, there's, some people call them shells or sticks or cowries, whatever you want to call them. Sydney picked it out. She was like, I want it all in my hair. Put as many as you can. That was a plan. But y'all, I started putting those things on, and I don't know how to use them. I don't, they look fairly easy, but when you start trying to attach them, and I was trying to be careful because you have to slip them through, and that can interfere with the state of the locks. Like, you can mess them up. You can kind of pull them apart, and that's what you don't want them to do. You want to keep them intact. So I was kind of messing around with them. Some of them were unraveling. I couldn't push them together. So I had to go get pliers. At first I was like, no, that's doing too much. And Sydney was like, for what, Mom? That's a tool. She was like, this is my hair. You don't need those for my hair. I was like, yeah, but I need the pliers to actually close them. So that's what I did there. Now my pliers, I'm glad they were close because we did rearrange the house. So the pliers were nearby, thank God. And Sydney's just in heaven, y'all. She's loving her hair. And I've seen a lot of comments, and I just want to thank y'all for all the support and the care and the tips that you were giving Sydney. And some people were just downright rude, which that comes with the territory, and then saying some of the craziest things. And I'm just like, I'm just the mother out here trying to do the best for my child. And some comments, it was like 2 comments that I erased. And I'm like, because I will never allow that to stay there for my daughter to see, because they were so outrageous. Yes, my daughter cries. I'm going to show my journey. I've been showing the journey of Sydney's 4C hair since she was like 5 years old, 4 or 5 years old. And I'm going to continue doing that, because there are a lot of people out there that have learned from our situation, me for caring for Sydney's hair. They've learned a lot. They said, thank you, because I didn't know what to do with my child's hair. Thank you for this technique. Thank you for that. And I have a community that we get each other. So the people that don't get us, you don't have to subscribe, you don't have to watch, and you don't have to leave those nasty comments. And if it's people rude comments, yeah, I'll keep on there, but nasty, evil comments, they will never stay. And it was 2, and it was one, he's a micro influencer, he's known, and he got on there, my channel, saying some crazy stuff. And I'm like, why waste your breath? Why waste your time? Because it will never, I'm just going to erase it, because you're loud and wrong. Why do you want to be loud and wrong under somebody else's channel? Go do something else. Go grow your channel. Okay? Don't tell me how to grow mine or what I should do with my channel. And I said, okay, well, it's a lot of people on my channel or new subscribers that don't know me. So I want to have a Q&A. And for anybody who has questions about me and Sydney, any types of question, it could be about Sydney's hair, the things that I do with her hair over the years, our journey, our personal life, anything that you want to ask. Because I've been on here for so long and I don't share a lot, but I think people don't know me. So it's time for me to open up a little bit more. So I'm willing to do that. So if you go to my Instagram, and you, if you all want to ask me any questions, write all the questions that you can down. My Instagram will be linked in the description box, and it's at the supernatural. Same as my name on here, but it's the the supernatural. Go to my DMs or go to my last picture or post, and write all the questions under one of the last posts, or one of my, the last post, not the pinned post, but the last post. I haven't been posting on there a lot, but go ahead and ask me. It's time to just clear everything up. Any questions you want to ask us, feel free. There's Sydney's hair, and we try to maintain, like we're sitting watching a movie, and I run my fingers through her hair. To prevent it from matting and kind of tangling. I want to the loctician told her just to run her fingers through her hair every day, so her retwist won't be painful. Try to teach her how to care for her hair, because overall, this is her hair. This is her journey. Yes, we're going to learn new things. We're going to learn it together, and I'm going to make sure that she knows how to take care of her hair all by herself. And if you guys have not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Come on this journey with us. We're so excited. Sydney is loving her hair, and I just want you guys to see the excitement that she has every day going to school and coming home. The confidence is on another level. Please subscribe, share this video, leave your questions that you have on my Instagram. And I thank you guys for watching, and have a very wonderful, blessed day. Well, I'll go back on TikTok and watch that Did I Marry? Have y'all been watching that? All right, bye. Have a great day.